How to perform Tayammum. Step 1. Find clean earth. Find a place where there is soil, sand or rock. Make sure that this place is clean and entirely free of all najasa things which make one ritually unclean. Step 2. Performing Tayammum. It is necessary to make its intention, niyat, in your heart. You should mentally prepare yourself for the performance of an act of purification. Step 3. Say Bismillah. Recite Bismillah ar-Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Step 4. Strike your hands on the ground. This act will most likely lift some dust. Brush it off and gently rub your face with your hands, beginning as in wuzu from the hairline to where the facial hair starts, and from the lobe of one ear to that of the other. Step 5. Strike your hands on the ground again. Brush off the dust and intertwine the fingers of both hands, using your left hand. Rub your right arm from the fingertips up to the elbow and back, along the inner arm to the fingertips. Repeat this for your left arm.